Welcome to Upadhye IIT classes. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Professor Kamal Balani and basically I am IITian. For last 15 years, I have been in this field of especially IIT teaching classes, and for last 2 years, I am associated with Upadhye IIT classes in Nasik. So today we are going to publish this IIT JEE means solution, and very soon it will be downloaded. And this paper, if I'll talk with the point of view of this solution of this paper solution of this paper not only useful for Nasik student, but it will give uttermost importance to at India level also. So before explaining this paper, I would like to analysis about from various section of physics. Let's say here, because I have gone through this paper completely and we have solved. So this paper not only for very above students, but one average student also can score about 30 to 35 marks. So if we will talk about the cutoff marks, so definitely it will be somewhere between 30 to 35 marks. And if we categorize into division of this chapters of or portion of physics, so here this categories according to that, the paper was about 10 to 15% it was from mechanics and about 20% from electrodynamics, and like same way as thermodynamics also 10 to 15%, and optics it is 20%, and modern physics also about 10 to 15%. So basically it was a balanced paper, and if one has put complete effort in all the branches of physics, so definitely he can score about 30 to 35 marks. So let us start complete solution, detailed solution of this physics here. First question, and I am going to solve this C code paper. So this first question is 61. This 61 question is about an observer is moving with half the speed of light toward a stationary microwave source, and here it is asking about the frequency. So we can, for here it is not basically on sound, but it is from a light. So formula here we can make use 1 plus V by C upon 1 minus V by C, and since it is given V equals to C by 2, so if we put here, then we can get F, it is given 10, and so it will become 1 by 2, so we can get here 17.3 gigahertz this way. Similarly, question number 62 here, 62 question, it was a bit deceptive question, but because generally we know about that absolute errors, but absolute errors are not given here. So we can say it is a little bit deceptive question, but basically it was not deceptive, and by this information also we can solve this problem. So 62 question here, it is T equal to RH G upon 2 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter. So for solving of error problem, generally we take log. So log T equal to, and here since it is in product, so log R plus log H plus log G, and remaining it will be constant. So if we differentiate this quantity, both side equation, so we will get T dt, and here we have to find percentage error. So we can multiply both the side by 100. So it will become here 1 upon R dr plus 1 upon H dH plus 1 upon G dG plus 0. And this all the quantity we can multiply with 100 because they are asking about percentage error, and it was a little bit skeptical about this problem because here D means absolute errors were not given here, but we can tell 1.25 into 10 to minus 2 meter. So in this type of quantity, absolute error is last two significant digits, that is 0.01. So here we can put 0.01 upon 1.25 plus similarly for h also 0.01 upon 1.45 plus 0.01 upon this also we can take here 9.80. So this 9.80, and if we multiply with 100, so we can get answer here approximately 1.5%. So this error it is about P into 100. So this way we can get here. Now we can move to this question number 65th here. So question 65th like that. It was based on basically on modern physics. So they were asking about, there are three lines it were given about energies. So first line it was minus E, energy was given minus 4 by 3 E, and for third minus 2 E, and it is minus 3 E. So they were asking about lambda 2 and lambda 1. So they were asking about lambda 1 by lambda 2. So as we know that delta E equals to Hc by lambda. So similarly here we can find, if we have to find lambda 1, so we have to subtract this minus E minus of minus 2E. So it will become E equals to Hc by lambda 1. Similarly for lambda 2, it will become this minus this, so it will be E by 3. So Hc by lambda 2. And if we divide, so we can get lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to 1 by 3. So this way I have given solution for 3 problems, and keep on watching for these videos. Thank you guys.